Recently purchased an iPhone XS Max for about $100 on eBay. I got it for $100 because it was, to me, not a bad deal. If I went onto eBay, going onto eBay, looking at the similar models, I could get one for about $190 that was in fair condition. But the battery itself, I don't know what the battery would be like. So the reason why I got this was, number one, it was just $100. And number two, it was unlocked. And number three is the battery health on it was actually 100%. So the battery health was 100%. Unfortunately, I can't check on here. Here's the model number and stuff, but under battery, it shows up as unknown part. When I click on it, there's no way for me to know, but when I check coconut battery, it shows that the full charge capacity is 3,500 milliamps, supposedly. Take it with a grain of salt. But that's the reason why I bought it. The battery health was 100%, and the owner had sent me a screenshot of something similar to coconut battery, and it only has 2 charge cycles, and you can see now it's at 4. And so this is, again, it would have cost $180 and, $190. And that price is pretty expensive for a 5-year-old phone with a bad battery. So this one had a good battery, but the problem was for that price, the back was cracked completely. And so you can see I put tape on the back over here. So this is what I got for $100. Again, to me, the more important thing was the battery. The battery costs, again, like $50 to $90 to replace. But the person had replaced it, and the screen was perfectly fine. So once I put on a case, you can see the back is messed up, but once you put on a case, you can't really tell the condition of the phone. That's all. So that was my little buying an iPhone used off of eBay experience. I was able to get a used phone inexpensively with a bad back with a good battery. Last time I bought a phone was about 6 months ago, and it was an iPhone SE2, and again the back was cracked, so I was able to get the phone for around like $55. So that's the end of my story. I'm cheap, but I probably should buy a newer phone, but I'm okay with buying something that just costs $100 and will last me a few years.